This is Liam from LiamTubeHD. Today, we'll be doing the 1966 Batmobile. And inside it we have Robin. Full turbines of power, turbine speed. Let's go, Roger. Let's get a move on. They're off once again to the rescue. Poof, pow, zap, zoink. But sorry about that. That was kind of embarrassing. This one didn't come with Batman though. I think the mini version of it did come with Batman though, which I can't find a mini version of it though. Oh, this doesn't have much except for like all the paints on it. This is very dusty actually. Yeah, it comes up and should leave beam out. Oh, yeah. Light is in there. And take the jetpack. So, see my fingers on the camera. Sorry, my fingers on the camera. That's the inside of it. Yes, doors do open. It's for $160. 160 to 170, or maybe 200. I can't remember. So it's pretty expensive. But bye, guys.